2008, Dad helped me and he taught me how to cook. And there is crackers, milk, the chocolate thing you put in chocolate milk, the salty thing, and we put in peanut butter and some jelly, and we put in some cinnamon, and we put in some, what's the grape? And we put in some curry, and we put in some spaghetti, and we put in some cayenne and cough syrup. That's all. And I'm gonna put it in the refrigerator and see what happens. And I forgot to tell Dad something because I just want to put a little bit of bread. And I'm just gonna leave it out and see what happens at the end. And we put in some peas, I forgot. Yeah, we put in some cheese. We put on some pizza. And that's it. And that's the end. Thank you all.